Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with a website. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start making money by creating your own website. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, and also the kind of mindset that you should have when it comes to living a more fulfilling life, then I invite you to go down and hit the subscribe button, because that's what this channel is about. And also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me talk about how you can start making money by creating your own website. So if you've never created a website before, don't worry about it. It's a lot easier than you might think. Nowadays, there's a lot of different options when it comes to building a website. But if you're just getting started, then I would recommend going with WordPress. It has a lot of different themes that make it easier to build your website. And if you guys are interested in learning how to build a website step by step, I'll leave a link to another YouTuber who goes by the name of Tyler Moore, and he goes over how to create a website from start to finish, step by step. So I recommend you guys go and check that out after watching this video. So let me first explain what you need in order to get started with your website. The first thing that you're going to need is a domain name. So a domain name is just simply going to be the name of your website. So for example, let's just say that the name of your website is www.yourwebsite.com. So that's what a domain name is. And you can buy your own domain name from other websites such as HostGator and GoDaddy. Either one is fine. Now, depending on what the domain name is for your website, you can pay anywhere between $1.99 to $30. And this is going to be an annual fee. So you can pay for your domain name for the whole year for as low as $1.99. So when picking a domain name, you're going to see a lot of different options available for that name. So if your website is going to be called www.yourwebsite.com, you're going to see different variations of it. So you might see yourwebsite.com, yourwebsite.net, yourwebsite.org, yourwebsite.co, and there's a few other ones. But what I would recommend is going for a .com, because those are searched for more often and those will rank better when it comes to getting ranked for SEO. Okay, so let's say for the sake of time that you've picked out your website and you've watched the video that I linked down below in the description. So once you have your domain name picked out, the next thing that you're going to need is a hosting service. So like I mentioned, GoDaddy and HostGator, they both provide a hosting service. So what a hosting service is, it's just simply where all the content that you create for your website is going to be stored at. So now that you have your website built, if you're starting a blog, there's a few different ways that you can monetize your blog. So let me just go over a few examples on how you can do this. So you created a blog website. The first thing that you can do to monetize it is by having banner ads. So you're getting paid by the amount of people who are coming to your website and seeing these ads on your site. Now the only way you can get ads is by having a lot of traffic coming to your website on a daily basis. Another way that you can make money through your blog is by selling products, whether it be your own products or you're promoting affiliate products, as long as it's related to your blog article or your blog website. And if they are, people are more likely to buy those products. So if your blog article is about hairstyling, and you're promoting products like hairbrushes, curling irons, people are more likely to buy those products because it's related to your blog post. And another way that you can earn money from a blog is by simply having a donate button. If you're delivering a valuable message in your blog, in your articles, people are going to feel more inclined to donate to you because they feel like it's going to a worthy cause. So those are a few examples of how you can make money by creating a blog website. But what if you don't have your own blog website? What if you created a website where you sell your own products? Well, you can make money with banner ads as well. So let's say you just have a regular website where you sell your products One way you can do it is by having banner ads on your website as well. But like I said, you have to have a good amount of traffic coming to your website on a daily basis. And if you have your own website where you're selling your own products, you can also promote affiliate products as well, as long as those products are related to what you're selling. You can promote your own products and affiliate products as well. So let's say that the products that you sell on your website are t-shirts for your own clothing line. Well, you can have affiliate products for workout gear, like wrist wraps or sweatbands or whatever, because it's related to the product that you're selling. You can also make money by having people sign up to a newsletter. So when people sign up to a newsletter by submitting their email to you, whenever you have new products, you just simply send out a broadcast email to all those subscribers just to let them know, hey, I got this new product, it's on sale, it's a hot item, come get it now before it runs out. But that's going more into email marketing, and I've talked about that in other videos. And if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll leave it around here somewhere. Okay, so I've covered how to make money with a blog and also through your own website where you sell your own products. Now let me talk about selling your own online courses. Now obviously you can make money by having people enroll to your course. And you don't even need to have your own website in order for people to start enrolling into your course. You can host your course on a website called Teachable. So pretty much how that works is you go to teachable.com, you sign up to become a teacher, you upload your video-based course to Teachable, and when people start enrolling, that's when you start making money. Now this is how you start to make a passive income online, and I've talked about this in another video. But let's just say that you've built your own website and you're hosting your own online course on your website. You can make money by the same methods. You can have banner ads running on your website for your online course. You can sell affiliate products as long as it's related to your course. I don't know if you guys see a pattern that's going on here. And also you can sell your own merchandise. Now this can be anything from ranging from t-shirts to coffee mugs to sweaters, even socks. And a website that you can do all this from is called Teespring. So the great thing about Teespring is that you don't even have to invest a lot of money up front into having a bunch of t-shirts printed that you're just gonna have sitting in your garage. Whenever somebody goes to buy your merchandise through Teespring, the people at Teespring print it, pack it, and they ship it to the customer. So that's basically how you make money by creating your own website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or at least learned something new from it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. And if you guys want my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online, you can check out the link in the description below. And just to give you a heads up, it doesn't involve building your own website. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.